I could have gotten bitter and been like, Arey, I'm not from the industry. Or you already know you're not from the industry and you've decided to take the path less traveled. Obviously, it's going to be tough for me. I think a lot of who I am today is because of the army upbringing.
क्या आप manifestation में believe करते हैं?
So I believe that when you want something, you should really believe that it's happening to you.
On your first date, you apparently told him that you're not here to waste time.
Yes. What I said to him, let's continue meeting if both of us believe in the idea of marriage.
You just had a release. They did.
Yeah.
And you worked with both the Jaffries.
Javed sir is hilarious. His comedy timing, even in real life, like he would crack jokes and he's really funny. But I think between them, there was still that father-son relationship.
R. Madhavan.
I think I've had some amazing conversations with him. He's one of the nicest people, a gentleman in true sense. With Akshay sir, the best memories are after shoot, he'll want to play Mafia or he'll want to play some board game. मुझे nepotism से इतनी problem नहीं है. And I think industry is very welcoming. Karthik, Kriti, Kiara, Sid, me, so many people who are not from the industry. The cameras are always on your face. Like recently I'd gone to a concert and I wanted to enjoy the concert, but the cameras were in the face for 2 hours. And there was a time मैंने बीच में बोला भी कि यार बस please जाओ ना, मिल गया ना.
I'm excited to spill the tea with you, Rakul. And finally, like we were discussing, it's happened now.
Yes, finally. I'm so happy.
So excited to have you here, and we're going to chat about a little bit of everything. So
okay.
I'm quite excited.
So am I.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to it.
So I'll begin with this, right? You've spoken about how you grew up in a place that's just 7 kilometers away from the border.
Yes.
And you also studied math extensively, and today you're an actor. So we'll decode how one goes from math to acting. But आपका childhood कैसे था?
So because I was an army kid, I am an army kid. One of the cantonments was Firozpur, where our house was 7 kilometers from the Hussainiwala border. And Hussainiwala border is the other open border besides the Baga border that everybody goes to. So Vaga hai aur phir ye hai. And having said that, besides that, I think I changed about 10 schools in my childhood. I have travelled from north to south to northeast. We were in the northeast for about 3.5-4 years in Aizawl, which is the capital of Mizoram. And so I feel like it was like any other typical army kid where you're changing school every year and a half. And travel is just such an integral part of your growing up years. And stability is not. So I think it was just like that, like any other army kid. And I really give a lot of, I think a lot of who I am today is because of the army upbringing. I really give a lot of credit to it because it just makes you so strong from such a young age that the smaller problems in life don't feel like problems. Like I see that, in the city, a lot of people get affected by a lot of basic things. But I feel like army upbringing makes you, I'm not saying others are not, but I just feel like you do have a certain edge of strength when you've seen your fathers serving on the border, not in the era of mobile phones, where you couldn't be connected, you didn't know if they're going to come back home. And the kind of strength that the mothers exude at that point, I think just subconsciously you pick it up as well.
Like army wives.
Army wives, I think they need to be credited more than they get the credit for. So yeah, that was my upbringing. Lots of schools, lots of places. Yeah.
You've also spoken about an incident जहाँ पे आपके पिताजी accident में थे.
जी.
और आपने देखा कि your mom and your sibling were praying extensively. What did that teach you? उससे आपको क्या समझ आया उस वक्त?
उस टाइम तो आप इतने छोटे होते हो to really like understand anything. But जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये सब इंसिडेंट्स ना सबकॉन्शियसली आपको बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बना देते हैं कि फिर आपका रिएक्शन कि मुझे चोट लग गई पे ये नहीं होता कि दुनिया ख़त्म हो गई. You know what I mean? So I remember क्या हुआ था, Dad was supposed to be coming back from the border where he was serving और गाड़ियाँ निकल गई थी और फिर गाड़ियाँ ट्रैक नहीं हो पा रही थी. And हम लोग को शाम को वो ट्रंक कॉल होती थी, that black color phone. तो mom got a call around 5 o'clock कि साहब की गाड़ी ट्रैक नहीं हो पा रही है। और 2 महीने मतलब सम मंथ्स पहले, 2-3 महीने पहले ही वन ऑफ आवर रेजिमेंट अंकल्स वाज एम्बुश्ड, ठीक है। सो एंड ही वाज बेसिकली तो बहुत ज़्यादा फियर ऑब्वियसली मॉम हैड। नाउ आई थिंक आई वाज इन माय फोर्थ ग्रेड, शायद 8 या 9 साल की थी मैं। तो आपको इतनी समझ नहीं होती, तो मुझे सिर्फ ये एक मेमोरी याद है कि मम्मा ने घर में गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब है एंड शी जस्ट मेड अस सिट डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गुरुद्वारा, द स्मॉल गुरुद्वारा, एंड बस वी वर जस्ट प्रेइंग बिकॉज कोई कनेक्ट नहीं था। फिर रात को 11 बजे पता चला कि ओके कॉन्टैक्ट मिल गया है एंड देयर वाज एन एक्सीडेंट एंड द कार वाज हैंगिंग फ्रॉम द क्लिफ, सो everybody had a narrow escape and then dad came home and yeah, so there were many incidents इस तरह से जब आपको सुनाई देता है कि वहाँ पर आसपास में ambush हो गया है, वहाँ पे militants आ गए हैं and then dad is there, so in that area. So I think that posting of my father was the most disturbing for my mom. Was the most disturbing, yeah, because she went through a lot of health issues at that point, stress.
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah.
So जो वो incident था, and you said that she just told you to pray.
Yeah.
Is that something you carry till today? Like imagine you're in a situation that's stressful.
Absolutely.
And it could be anything, right?
Absolutely.
इतने सारे stress है. It could be career, it could be anything.
Yeah.
Do you go back to that?
Absolutely. I go back to praying. I think, see, my way of connecting with God is I'm more spiritual. So I believe that there is one power, right? And I address it as God. And then I have conversations with God, like I try to talk and I'm like, and I feel I get my strength from it. वो बोलते हैं कि आप manifest कर लो या God is your anchor. It's that anchor. मेहनत आपने फिर भी खुद करनी है, but it's that anchor that helps you calm down. Whenever there's a stressful situation, आपको लगता है कि I'm God's child. I always say this, I'm God's child and God will show me, do the best for me. So whatever is the best for me, जो शायद मुझे लगे कि at this point नहीं है, but in the long run maybe that is the best for me. So I completely then leave it in His court.
So क्या आप manifestation में believe करते हो?
Absolutely.
कैसे? How do you? क्योंकि बहुत सारे questions होते हैं, right? कि actually manifest किया कैसे जाता है?
Right.
बहुत सारे लोग troll भी करते हैं जो manifestation को loosely use करते हैं, right? कि बस बैठो और सोचो और सच हो जाता है, which is absolutely not correct.
Yeah.
So आप manifestation कैसे करते हो?
Yeah, my thing is that when I got to understand what manifestation is, और जब आप dots join करते हो ना, so I always thought कि जब भी life में मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोच के छोड़ दिया, sometimes आप छोटे होते हो, आप कुछ भी बोल देते हो and that happens.
कि मुझे ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए.
हाँ, मतलब as much as I'm telling you, it is so funny. जब मैं शायद 5th-6th standard में थी and my parents would ask me कि क्या करना है, क्या बनना है, what do you want to be? तो I used to say मुझे नहीं पता, but whatever I do, I'll never struggle. या फिर my dad would say कि कभी तो we should know how to make a cup of tea. And I used to, as a kid, this is me like 9-10 years old, I'll have people to do it for me. Coming from a middle class family, they never understood it. So my dad would tell my mom कि यार इसको कुछ तो आए, मतलब like at least थोड़ा तो कुछ बेसिक सिखा दो. बट मैं सीखती नहीं थी, मुझे होता था कि नहीं मेरे पास लोग होंगे करने के लिए. Now I didn't know, now I'm just giving an example. Now I didn't know कि मैं क्या करूँगी या मेरे पास कैसे लोग होंगे, या it's not like I came from an extremely rich background, right? Army is salaried, you come from a middle class background, and but I just feel कि because आपने इतने confidence से एक manifestation छोड़ दी है universe में, destiny got me in a place where I thankfully, touch wood, not that I can't make, but I can afford someone else making a cup of tea for me.
Yeah.
Right? And similarly, जब मैं industry में try करने आई थी, जब मैं 18 साल की थी and I moved to Bombay, I used to just think मैं मेहनत करूँगी तो मुझे मिल जाएगा. That's the only like that's all. Like, linear equation था मेरे लिए. So it was never that oh my god but this happens but it's this kind of an industry. लेकिन लोग तो कहते हैं बहुत difficult है, वो thought ही नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में. So sometimes when you're not corrupted ना with too much information, it really helps.
Blissfully naive.
Blissfully naive.
Yeah.
I was very blissfully naive. तो मैं बोलती थी कि हाँ इसमें क्या मुश्किल है, मैं जाऊँगी, मैं 200% दूंगी, मैं खड़े रहूँगी लाइनों में और मुझे मिलेगा. And beyond that, it's not like I was sitting and writing every day कि मुझे मिलेगा. I believed that it'll happen.
So आपका manifestation का process है कि पहले belief होना चाहिए.
So I believe that when you want something, you should really believe that it's happening to you. You know, वो कहते हैं ना कि जब मैं एक्टर नहीं भी थी या मैं ऑडिशनिंग फेज में थी, I used to keep my every day so busy, like I had a routine, as if I'm going to work.
So what was your routine when you were auditioning?
When I was auditioning, I was living in Kandivali at that point. I would wake up, come to work out in Bandra. But ये नहीं था कि मुझे कोई बोले कि कल आपको फिल्म लेना है, तो I was fit enough to do that, you know. So I was putting in the work. So I used to come to Bandra. I used to carry all my clothes, you know, your formal Indian white suit, जो भी basic requirements होती हैं for auditioning. And then from there, I used to sit in a cafe and wait for calls. But I'm behaving like I'm busy, right? I was sitting in a cafe, doing my calls. फिर जाके किसी audition line में खड़े हो गए, फिर किसी को phone कर दिया, आज क्या हो रहा है? So I used to spend those couple of hours in and around Bandra and Aramnagar every single day. And not that I was doing this कि मैं ऐसा करूँगी तो मुझे पक्का मिल जाएगा. I was genuinely putting in the work. And when I obviously understood manifestation much later in life, when you're so young, you don't really know. And when I joined the dots, I felt that every time the intention has been right and the belief has been strong, it's manifested.
Wow.
And every time you hold it too tight, too close to your heart, it doesn't happen.
Yeah, I've faced that as well.
Yeah.
Like when you're obsessed with it कि मुझे ये चाहिए
हाँ, वो नहीं होता है.
It doesn't. It evades you.
Yeah, it evades you.
But what about when things don't go your way? ठीक है, आप audition जा रहे हो और नहीं हो रहा है, like it's not clicking, you're not getting that call कि फिल्म मिल गई. That period ना typically for people, which is कि आप काम कर रहे हो, आप मेहनत कर रहे हो, अपना 200% दे रहे हो, बिलीव भी है कि ये तो मेरा ही रास्ता है, पर वो जो आपको चाहिए, that first glimmer of कि manifestation हो रहा है, अगर वो ना हो तो वो बिलीव थोड़ा शेक हो सकता है. How was it for you?
You know, I always believed, और ये सब लोग को लगेगा कि शायद अब बैठ के बोलना बहुत ईजी है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, एवरी टाइम कुछ नहीं होता था ना, मुझे लगता था ये तो आई एम मेड फॉर बेटर थिंग्स. एंड अगेन दैट कम्स फ्रॉम आई वॉज वेरी ब्लिसफुली नाइव. बिकॉज वेन यूर नॉट फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, आपको कुछ मालूम नहीं है, आपको पता नहीं है कि PR क्या है, स्टाइलिंग क्या है, पोजिशनिंग क्या है, हाउ डू यू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ, नथिंग, राइट? यू कम विद दिस यू नो ड्रीमी आईज एंड विम्सिकल थॉट्स एंड दैट्स इट, राइट? तो मुझे हमेशा लगता था, और कई नहीं हुए, ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब यू नो आई क्रैक्ड इट इन द फर्स्ट. देयर वर मेनी रिजेक्शंस. ऐसा भी हुआ है कि आई वाज कंफर्म्ड एंड आई वाज रिप्लेस्ड. 4 दिन शूट भी किया है, फिर भी रिप्लेस हुई हूँ. बट समवेयर आई डोंट नो इफ I was always an old soul, which I feel I am maybe, that I always thought कि यार ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे इससे बेटर मिलेगा. So I think that is very layered. एक तो your upbringing matters a lot. More than upbringing, I think जो kind of support मेरे parents ने मुझे दी, कि मुझे कभी ये नहीं था कि I have to prove it to them. So I was not working to prove it to them. They believed in me.
Yeah.
I think आधी battle आपकी तब आप जीत जाते हो when there is family support, when they know कि हम हैं, जाओ अपना सपना पूरा करो. You know, I see a lot of young aspiring people struggling and getting restless because they also have fought with their families to live their dream.
Correct.
And then they have that extra added pressure कि मुझे तो prove करना है, अब मैं सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के यहाँ आया हूँ या आई हूँ. I think I didn't have that. I had given myself 2-3 years कि मैं 2-3 साल दूंगी, अगर क्लिक हो गया very good, नहीं हुआ तो I'll go back to my studies and use the mathematics somewhere, and I'll do masters and all of that. So I'd given my CAT, I had a score, so all of that.
You said that you shot for 4 days and stopped filming. How has it been for you in Bollywood truly? Because you are the quintessential outsider story, right?
Yeah.
Ki there's no connections. You come from a army background.
Absolutely.
Also studied math, which is completely irrelevant. And then you broke in. And that's something that a lot of people may think that मुझे भी रकुल जैसे बनना है, but they don't know whether they'll have that shot because there's so many stories that you hear, right? Like nepotism is the most commonly used term, but outside of that also that it's not a good industry is a general perception.
No, I will deny that. I would say it is a very good industry. क्या है, industry tends to become an easy target because you are popular, because the industry is popular, because people are talking about actors. It's very easy to just make a statement. No industry is easy or tough.
Yeah.
I think doctors are working 24 hours around the clock to facilitate the kind of medical system that we have in the country. Lawyers work around the clock. There are so many different professions. Entrepreneurs work. You can't have a startup and blow it out of proportion if you are not putting in the work, and it's not easy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of competition there also. But क्या होता है, because actors are recognizable or directors, producers are recognizable, and this is the showbiz, I think it's very easy to say that the industry is not good. I don't think that is the case. Yes, when you're not from the industry, to get that first initial break is a challenge, and maybe even after that, to अगर आपका वो first break नहीं चला, then you don't have a second option, you don't have a second chance, you have to really push. But I feel for me it was a very different story. You know, क्योंकि my first film was Yaria, which came out in 2014. तब मैं वो पहली फिल्म थी जो मैंने audition करी, crack करी. When I started shooting for Yaria, I signed my first film in Telugu. That happened to release 3 months before Yaria released. And it became a sleeper hit, like a big hit. So before even Yaria released, I had signed 2 other films, you know, in Telugu. So my journey was not कि फिर उसके बाद Yaria release हुई, newcomers की film बहुत बड़ी, music was big, it did very good numbers at that time. But it's not like it opened doors for me. And also, दूसरा तरीका देखने का ये है कि I always believed work will get you more work. So I was working in Telugu. So for me, I didn't know also कि मुझे क्या दरवाजे खुलवाने हैं क्या इसके बाद. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ठीक है, अभी लोग देख लेंगे, and then if they want me, they'll call me. And you know, so that's what I was telling you, that I didn't know how do you position yourself, what is PR, what is styling, कि मुझे मुंबई में रहना पड़ेगा to work in Hindi films. So I was very naive. So I just thought, ठीक है ना, मतलब I was in Bombay, South called me, I'm in South. Again, very linear. I'm in South, if people see me, they'll call me. But before I knew, फिर I started working in Telugu films majorly, and then to my luck and God's grace, that worked out. And I started doing great work there. And फिर मेरे लिए, you know, opportunities opened again.
Yeah.
But and then De De Pyar De 1 was when I really made the transition from moving to Mumbai back again.
Yeah.
But I feel like journey आप कितना भी सोच लो ना, that you will do this, and is there a single shortcut या first chance. Now if you look at it, ऐसा नहीं था कि first chance एकदम made me a star. It was always one step up, one step up. It was I had to climb a staircase. But I guess you just have to enjoy the process. जब आपको लग रहा है, आई थिंक फॉर मी ये था कि ठीक है, आई एम इंडिपेंडेंट, आई एम मेकिंग दैट मच मनी कि मैं अपने आप को यू नो अपना करियर मैनेज कर सकती हूँ, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम होम. तो वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेहनत करेंगे. देयर आर ऑलवेज 2 ways टू लुक एट इट. आई कुड हैव गॉटन बिटर एंड बिन लाइक, अरे आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, और यू ऑलरेडी नो यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री एंड यू डिसाइडेड टू टेक द पाथ लेस ट्रैवल्ड. सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोना बी टफ फॉर मी. So that's why मुझे nepotism से इतनी problem नहीं है. I mean, tomorrow for my kids, obviously I will put the kind of support that I can in my ability. And I think industry is very welcoming to newcomers now. I mean, some of the biggest names, Karthik, Kriti, Kiara, Sid, me, so many, Ayushmann, so many people who are not from the industry.
Are killing it.
Yeah. But ये है कि it's not going to be like सीधा आप 1 करोड़ के क्वेश्चन पे नहीं पहुंचोगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप पहुंचोगे.
And contrary to you know what it was earlier कि मुझे PR के बारे में नहीं पता, positioning क्या होती है नहीं पता, to now obviously it's very different for you, right? So does the fame ever also bother you sometimes, purely because you don't come from, you've not grown up कि हर जगह जाओ, अभी तो बहुत ही पैप्स
Yeah.
है, but you know like attention है कि I'm from the industry to now.
It doesn't bother me. I think कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, and you know that, you know.
Yeah.
But yes, because my conditioning happened in an era, this pap culture has come in 4-5 years back. But while I was in the South, or even till 2017-18, इतना paparazzi culture नहीं था. Which is post-pandemic through post-COVID, 2020 onwards has been a lot more.
Spike, yeah.
But I feel you know that you are a public figure. Yes, sometimes it does hurt जब कुछ भी news बनती है या people just create any rumors or just that the cameras are always on your face. Like recently I had gone to a concert. And that is the day that I really got, I'm just quoting an example क्योंकि recently हुआ था, and I'd gone with my closest friends and I wanted to enjoy the concert, but the cameras were in the face for 2 hours. And there was a time मैंने बीच में बोला भी कि यार बस please जाओ ना, मिल गया ना, मतलब you know, then you and if I go back, then I'm not enjoying, I can't see the person perform.
Yeah.
So, but then it is what it is.
It is.
They're also doing their job, you know. So.
Let's talk a little bit about positioning, which you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's a typical day in your life? And then we'll get to skin and hair and diet and things around
So
that.
typical day when I'm not shooting?
Give me both.
So when I'm shooting, though, of course, for me, what is extremely prime importance is I wake up and work out before I head to shoot. Because I have to do that. That is my
Do you work
sanity.
out every day?
5 times a week.
Okay.
So I try to do that. And then, of course, you shoot 12 hours, 14 hours, and you come back and you barely crash. So that's a shoot day. If I'm not shooting, then phir again I wake up, I work out. If it's a completely free day, then I try to catch up on content, try to get in a swim, play some sport. I'm a golfer, so do a little bit of that if I can. Hang out with my friends, spend time with family, read books. So yeah, so then I'm doing all of these other things which I feel are very enriching.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm a very outdoorsy person. So I love sports.
और आपकी skincare routine क्या है? I'm sure so many people want to know कि what is the secret?
There is no secret. I've said this many times. I think skin is a reflection of how you feel from within. No matter आप कितने creams लगा लो, आप कितने सारे layers of skincare डाल लो, if you are not a happy person, it is going to reflect on your skin. अगर so that is something I truly and I really love to protect my happy space. You know, so I feel it's very important. तो वो है, but besides that, of course, I do have a skincare routine. I never ever sleep without removing my makeup.
Yeah.
So that 3-step cleansing, toning, moisturizing तो है ही. फिर घर के नुस्खे हैं, like your haldi besan and banana mask, sometimes aloe vera.
What's a banana mask?
So banana, what I do is I take some dahi and take banana and honey and उसको mash करके उसको face पे लगा लिया. So it really smoothens your skin.
Oh, कितने time के लिए?
Till it dries up, 10 minutes.
That's it. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
10 minutes. And that, so everything is for different way that your skin is feeling. कभी dry feel हो तो banana mask, कभी बहुत oily feel हो तो हल्दी बेसन.
बस हल्दी और बेसन?
नहीं, बेसन and उसमें a pinch of haldi and then a little bit of honey या फिर कच्चा दूध.
Okay.
So it's either honey or कच्चा दूध, whatever is easily available. And tomato for detan really works. जब मैं outdoors पे shoot करती हूँ तो then टमाटर काट के ऐसे रब कर लिया फेस पे. एंड आई हैव सीन दिस फ्रॉम माय मॉम. वो जो फ्रूट खा रही होती है उसको मुंह पे लगा लेती. पपाया काट के दे रही है तो पपाया की स्किन मुंह पे रब कर लेंगे. यू नो, इफ शी इज बनाना है तो बनाना. सो आई हैव रियली सीन हर डू ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो दैट्स वेयर आई गेट इट फ्रॉम.
ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट हेयर केयर?
Hair, I'm terrible. I am terrible. I know a lot of things, but I just don't do it. The only thing I do is try to do oiling twice a week. Ideally should be thrice, but वो भूल जाती हूँ मैं. And nutrition. I think utmost importance for both hair and skin is nutrition.
Okay.
यार आप क्या अंदर डालोगे बॉडी के, कैसा फील कर रहे हो, that's all that's going to reflect, because nutrition is what gives you acne or no acne, hair strength or no hair strength, you know, how are your B12 levels, how is your biotin level, iron, all of that. So I am very heavily in, like, I enjoy nutrition a lot.
Really?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay, so give us some tips. What should people include? लोग क्या खा सकते हैं for better skin, better hair, better overall energy? Gut health बहुत ही popular
Gut health is very important, and I feel आप जो भी खाना खा रहे हैं, try to keep it alkaline. You know, the extra masalas, like I love Indian food, but I love घर का Indian food.
Yeah.
मैं लाइफ में बाहर जाके इंडियन नहीं एंजॉय कर सकती. You know, once in a while of course you go out, but that घर का इंडियन बेसिक दाल सब्जी रोटी चिकन फिश eggs fruits vegetables nuts, that is amazing for hair and skin. I don't do dairy, I don't do gluten, and I don't do sugar
At all.
I do jaggery, I don't do white sugar.
Yeah.
White sugar तो मुझे मतलब ऐसा craving भी नहीं होता है. I do eat desserts, but I eat the healthier alternative.
Like
मतलब
dates or jaggery.
Dates or jaggery or palm sugar. So it's not that I'm trying to cut out calories, but just healthier ingredient for my body. And then stevia, monk fruit, all of that.
Anything, you know, you said there's so much for hair, but मैं करती नहीं हूँ. So what would you recommend
Yeah,
people to
so
do?
there's, you know, you can have, there's this oil जो आप बना सकते हो with rye and there's some patte. What are those patte?
Kadi patta.
Kadi patta, yeah. Kadi patta, and actually my mom had made, my mother-in-law made it, and she's kept it for us वो लगाने के लिए, but I've not tried it yet. So, but that oil is supposed to be very good. Then egg yolk, the eggs on your hair is supposed to be very good. Yeah.
And anything that you think as superfoods that people should include in their diet?
Yeah, you know, if you go back to your desi Ayurveda na, like I really believe in Ayurveda. I'm very strong believer, and I feel कि अभी जो भी हम superfoods बोलते हैं, जैसे we say moringa is now a superfood, right? But moringa क्या है? Drumstick, which has been in Indian food since ages.
Yeah.
You say turmeric latte, but वो हल्दी हमारे खाने में जाती है, right? So उनके खाने में grills हैं. So it's not like in the West you do have pastas or grills or rice, but we have haldi ka tadka. So everything, kalonji, black cumin seed, is the best anti-inflammatory thing that you can ever have. Again in Ayurveda. So I feel कि अगर आप अपने basics पे चले जाओ ना, everything that our grandparents ate, and that is something I follow. Like I do kalonji in the morning, I do haldi water in the morning, saunf water. So it's like water, then Celtic salt water, then saunf water, then haldi water, and then my ghee coffee.
So you have like a six-step
six-step water
routine.
Six-step water routine. But sometimes I also alternate when I can't. Then saunf water or turmeric water के बीच में I alternate. But ये तो है ही. First class is normal water, sipping, and then Celtic salt water, and then one more saunf pani or something, and then my ghee coffee, and then I work out on that, and then I have my breakfast.
Okay. What is breakfast typically?
Breakfast is eggs.
Right.
I love eggs.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't live without eggs.
Really?
I love eggs. So breakfast is eggs and a gluten-free toast, or eggs and poha. I love poha. Yeah, largely this. I can eat the same food every day.
It's so simple. Yeah, it's really
I can
simple.
eat the same food every day. मुझे मतलब आप सेम एक सब्जी, एक चिकन, एक या फिश, एनी सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड रोटी राइस लंच में दे दो, ब्रेकफास्ट में एग्स दे दो, डिनर में लंच का रिपीट कर दो, आई एम गुड.
Really, that's so
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about love.
Yes.
You know, they say that you know what you see at home when you're growing
Yeah.
up between your parents is something that आपको वो emulate करना होता है. Like, you know, I want a certain thing. Or if it's unfortunately if somebody has seen not such a happy relationship, then you crave for
Yeah.
that void that is
Yeah.
created. How did you kind of, A, first did you manifest your love story, and B, How did it kind of fall into place?
So again, I always knew I'll find the right person. And I'm not saying this is how the universe has helped me. And that which is why I say I'm God's child, because I was just single and my parents would tell me कि थोड़ा time निकालो and try to, you know, meet people, and you're just working and you should know more people because you have to find somebody, all of that, right? And I used to feel कि, you know, मेरे को सही time पे सही इंसान मिल जाएगा. And I also had that belief because I'd seen my parents in a beautiful relationship, you know, a beautiful marriage, a marriage of equals. I've never seen my dad take a decision without consulting with my mom. You know, he would run it by her. What's your opinion? So I always thought that companionship is what I look for in a relationship. And also because I had so much support from home, I required that same support from my companion.
Yeah.
You know, so I guess, and फिर मैंने सोचा नहीं, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया. I used to not put any effort. I used to, and then when after a point, I think, you know, COVID, then I was like, okay Rakul, अभी थोड़ी सी let's बहुत free हैं हम लोग, कुछ करने को नहीं है. Let me just put some effort and energy to find to try to at least meet people. And that's when I met Jackie. I met him in COVID.
Where did you meet him?
It's a very funny story. So it was COVID lockdown, and my brother was locked down with me, and it was his birthday. और बहुत ही peak वाला COVID lockdown था, जो पहले April में नहीं था, that you were scared कि दाल चावल भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
So when the lockdown happened, I had stocked घर में खाना. And he wanted alcohol for his birthday. He said, यार मैं एक drink तो लूँगा ना, क्या lockdown में मेरा birthday. And there was no alcohol at home because I don't drink. So I called a friend. तुझे कोई तो पता होगा, you know, some vendor or somebody who can send it home. And he connected me to Jackie and said, you know what, I've called Jackie and he will give, because he also doesn't drink, पर उसके घर में बार है तो पक्का होगी. I said, but I know of Jackie professionally. I know that he's an actor and producer, and I can't ask him for alcohol.
It's so random.
It's so random. I don't know him. He's not my friend. I've met him maybe एक दो बार at parties, right? So अभी यही option है. So then my brother was just, you know, like, I want. So I just then messaged him. और हम लोग वो अल्कोहल बॉटल लेने गए और हमने पीपी किट्स पहन के गए और सैनिटाइज किया हाथ, बॉटल को सैनिटाइज किया, एंड देन वी टुक इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. एंड देन वी केप्ट normally chatting on and off for about a couple of months till we had our proper date.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Who asked whom?
He asked me.
Okay.
He asked me. I was shooting in Hyderabad. It was Diwali 2020. And he was going to London to, I think, start Bell Bottom shoot or something. And he told me that, listen, I'm going for 2 months and I'd love to do dinner with you. Will you come to Bombay? Abhi, I was 14th November, I very well remember, was Diwali, and I was coming on 15th. And ये जा रहा था 14th रात को, तो he said, can you come on 14th? Now I was feeling, कितना weird लगेगा ना कि मतलब मैं हैदराबाद से बॉम्बे आ रही हूँ डिनर डेट करने के लिए. They look very desperate. So again my brothers kicked me out. He said, नहीं मिनानी, मुझे दिवाली आपके साथ, अब जाओ. You know, and my best friend and my brother, they've pushed me. Then I came, and then that dinner was like I was talking to a male version of me.
Yeah.
You know, we're so similar people, likes, dislikes. And also what happens now, I feel that when you're looking for a partner at a certain age, which is not necessarily very, very young, 21, 22 पे तो आप शादी कर नहीं रहे हो. You've already become an individual. You already know your likes and dislikes. आपकी personality develop हो चुकी होती है. And also because when you're a working professional, there is an individuality. Which both of us had, and that sort of matched in the sense what he wants in life, what I want in life. I think that wavelength matched, and then it's been 5 years since.
What happened? How was your dating period, right? Like from going from dating to marriage, what would you say is the one thing that changed? Or
Nothing.
didn't change?
Nothing.
Nothing has changed.
I think the best part is touch wood. Touch wood. Wood का है.
Wood,
ये,
yeah.
जो भी है. बहुत important है touch wood करना. But touch wood, I think nothing has changed.
Wow.
And I think that's the beauty, because that's why I was saying individuality, right? It's so important to respect what one person has built, or even if not that, just respect how they are with their friends, how they like certain things a certain way. Because when you're marrying at a certain point in life, you don't want to make those adjustments. Little bit adjustments हर जगह होती हैं, but I'm saying primarily I have to respect his space and he has to respect mine. And I think that transition, क्योंकि जब शादी नहीं भी हुई थी, I think we felt like we had spoken about our relationship, and we were anyways, marriage for us was a technical thing.
Yeah.
ठीक है, शादी कर
It was
लेते
done
हैं.
in your head.
In our head, it was done. So I feel like nothing's changed. He's my biggest cheerleader, and I believe I'm his. So
sweet.
that's, yeah.
But there's a funny thing that came up in our research where you took him to meet your dad, and he
Oh,
straight
yeah.
up asked कि plans क्या है मेरे बेटे
We
के
were
साथ?
dating for just about 4 months, I think 4 or 5 months, and I had told my dad, I said, Papa, you're going to meet him the way you meet my brother's girlfriends, and you've met many. So you're meeting the first guy ever. So please just don't make it awkward, because even I don't know where I am right now. Okay, so पूरा समझा के, मम्मा को बोल के, कि पापा को भी बोल के,
Training.
all of that training दे के. It was my mom's birthday, and then we were on the lunch table, and then my dad said, "Acha, beta, what's your plan?" So he said, "Nothing. We're doing this, so Mission Raniganj." He was talking about films. So dad's like, "नहीं, what's your plan with my daughter?" तो मेरा खाना अटक गया वहीं पे. ऐसे मैंने इतना सिखाया था, इतना बोला था कि don't do this. But dad's
Just
being
dad
dads,
things,
yeah,
yeah.
just dad things. So
But you were also very clear with him, right? Like on your first date, you apparently told him that you're not here to waste time. And,
yes,
and that's so refreshing because especially now, right? अब तो इतने सारे जैसे situationship है, बहुत सारी ships है before relationship.
Yeah.
So to be clear is actually such a refreshing thing, because then you're on the same page or you're not, right?
so I'll tell you, I think what I said to him and he said to me was that let's continue meeting if both of us believe in the idea of marriage. Because क्या होता है, आप डेट करने लग जाओ और फिर एक बोले कि यार
मुझे तो
शादी करनी ही नहीं है लाइफ में. So I said, I'm not saying you and I will get married, but do we believe in the institution, so that if we are putting this time at this point in our life, it's at least going in some direction. So both of us come, like even he has seen a beautiful marriage with his parents, and मतलब वहाँ तो everything is on mom's name. Dad has made everything puja, that's his mom's name, So I feel like both of us came from a similar belief of marriage, and then we started dating. But वो dating में भी ना situationship बहुत थी before we started dating normally.
Really?
There was a lot of situationship because we were hanging every day. Every single day for like 5 months before I knew that I can call him my boyfriend.
Okay.
Because I was like, यार ये रोज हैंग करता है, इसके दोस्त आते हैं, मेरे दोस्त आते हैं, हम लोग सब रोज चिल करते हैं. I would finish my work, he would finish. At least 5 times a week we're doing this, we're laughing, we're having meals. So it became like a community. But what is happening? Like because he's not proposed to me, and he's not said that okay, we're in a relationship, and I'm very fattu to say it. So I was like, but is he serious? What is happening? This is so much time that's being consumed. So I would tell his friends कि यार लड़का बोल नहीं रहा है कुछ. I would tell my friends कि ये कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है. So finally after 5 months, I got to know, oh, we are dating. I said, okay, great.
How did you get to know?
So there was, again, I think it was the third wave of COVID or something. And again, there was little restrictions. और बहुत वो, it was a bad wave where cylinders and you needed oxygen cylinders and all of that. So I used to go to his house, hang a lot. And whenever my brother was here, we would go. So his sister told him that थोड़ा friends का आना जाना कम कर दो. Because it's not a correct time. It's not safe right now. So he told her that, but she's not my friend, she's my girlfriend. And then he came back and he narrated this incident to me. Yeah, Hanidi was saying this. So I said, but she's my girlfriend. I said, oh, am I? Oh wow, thanks to her I know it. Like finally since 5 months I've been trying to get this out of your
I
mouth.
figured it out.
Yeah. He's like, but I thought you know. I said, what do you mean I thought? You have to say it. Because then you know, okay, how much is okay, what is your right,
Yeah.
you know, all of that.
Yeah.
So
So that's how the big reveal happened.
The big reveal
कि
happened.
you're dating.
yeah.
Okay. But you know, so much about relationships is about find the right person, choose the right person. सही इंसान ढूंढ लो जिसके साथ आप जिंदगी बिता सकते हो. But बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो इस बारे में बात करते हैं कि आपको सही इंसान बनना भी पड़ेगा.
Absolutely.
So what did you have to unlearn or teach yourself to be that right person in the relationship?
I think we're never right. You're never completely correct. You're never completely right. I think a relationship is always work in progress. For both of us, the main funda that we try to follow is that we may make mistakes because we are human, right? But are we addressing that mistake and are we trying to do better? And if there is a problem, then we treat it like problem is the third party. So you and I are one team, and if there is a disagreement on something, then that topic of disagreement is a third party, and then we together have to navigate how we address this third party. If I disagree with you, doesn't mean I don't like you,
Yeah.
or I don't want to talk to you, or vice versa. And I think working on that and to understand that we're both trying to shape ourselves. It's always work in progress, and if you know you want to make it work, because I have to acknowledge he's not like me and he has to acknowledge I'm not like him. We're not similar people. We like doing similar things, but we have different set of beliefs, we have different upbringing, we have different do's and don'ts. And how do we, and neither is my way right nor is his, right? Like it's not like a मैं सही हूँ तुम गलत हो. How do we come to a midway? I think it's that, and yeah.
How does it work when you know both your careers are quite demanding
Right.
and consuming, and you know, you like you said, shoot days मतलब 12-13 घंटे
Yeah.
shooting ही चलती रहती है.
Right.
So how do you strike that balance?
I think because he also comes from the industry, he understands that. And even when he's producing something and he's on set, I know that sometimes he could be in a no network or this. So there's a lot of travel and there's a lot of long distance that naturally comes in. But if we're on an outdoor, suppose मैं 40 दिन के लिए बाहर हूँ, then he'll try to make an effort to come. Like my first anniversary, I was shooting for De De Pyar De. So he came to Patiala. And before that, when he was in London for really long, I think in our dating phase, he was barely in Mumbai. So I would go for 2 days to London. 3 दिन की break मिली, 4 दिन की break मिली. I've even gone for like 12 hours.
Really?
Yeah.
To London?
To London.
Oh my God.
I was shooting in Lucknow. I had 2 days free and I was really missing him. And it's that butterflies of new relationship, right? So I have come रात को to Mumbai and taken that 6 a.m. flight. No, 4:30 flight जो होती है to London. Landed at 11 and taken the रात का flight back to Bombay.
What did you do in London for those 12 days?
Ate at our favorite places.
Yeah.
For those couple of hours. And I think you just go there to sort of meet the person and, you know, just
Give them a hug.
Give them a hug and share a meal. I think for us, we love food and we love healthy food. So our choice of food is similar. So we like to go and share meals. Like we really like to share meals.
Yeah.
We try even on the non-shooting days if he's going to office or if I have a couple of meetings, we try कि हम at least अपने meals साथ में कर लें. And if we can't do lunch, then at least dinner साथ में कर लें.
Yeah.
You know.
Just had a release. They
Yeah.
had to. And you worked with both the Jaffries. So
Oh yeah.
how was
Nobody's asked me that question. till now.
Yeah. How was the experience? Was it absolute madness?
It was amazing. I think Javed sir is hilarious. His comedy timing, even in real life, like he would crack jokes and he's really funny. But I think between them, there was still that father-son relationship where Javed sir was really like, okay, is Mizan doing fine? Is he acting well? Is he
So
like, you know?
sweet,
So
yeah.
there was still that little feeling that you could sense.
Yeah.
But I think it was amazing. Yeah, that whole team became. Like whenever you're on an outdoor now, and especially when you're shooting for so many days, even if you're not on an outdoor, I think the captain of the ship your director, your producer, your actor, Ajay sir, in this case, everybody made the environment so light and comfortable and welcoming that it felt, like we felt bad the day the shoot was ending.
Really?
Yeah. We were really emotional कि मतलब कल नहीं है, tomorrow we are not going to be doing dinner together.
Yeah.
So you know, those conversations and those just it's that.
A lot of interesting conversations were sparked because of this movie, especially around the age gap.
Right.
Because typically it's been that older actors work with much younger actresses, and there was a
Yeah.
lot of conversation because of the film. What is your take on it?
See, our film anyways is about the age gap. So,
Exactly.
so we had to be cast like this to,
Yeah.
to do this. But
Yeah.
are you saying that if it's not the story and then people are
Yeah.
you know, I don't have an opinion on it because my opinion is not going to change anything about it. And also, what is the problem if they are looking good on screen and if people are watching, they will still watch that film and make it a hit and then still crib about the age gap. There are only that many actors, there are only that many actresses,
Yeah.
right? So if it's working on screen,
Why not?
why not?
Got it.
Who am I to actually have an opinion on it? It's for the maker to decide. It's for that particular actor to decide.
It's also for the actors and the actresses to decide whether they want to do it.
Yeah, whether they want to do that script or not.
Yeah.
I'm sure they would like something in the script to say, okay.
We'll go to a game segment. For
Okay, great.
Spill the tea.
Okay.
So, मैं कुछ नाम दूंगी
Okay.
और आपको इन जो मैं नाम लेती हूँ उनके साथ एक फनी या मेमोरेबल जो भी मेमोरी है आपको बतानी है.
Okay.
अजय देवगन.
अजय सर के साथ funny memory.
और मेमोरेबल.
So, अभी while we were shooting दे दे प्यार दे 2, if there's this song रात भर, जिसमें ना I jumped from that height, ceiling height,
Okay.
on a haystack. Okay, so I was going through my back injury around that time. So I was very scared. I was so scared that how am I going to jump? Ajay sir was literally like, nothing, you'll jump, this will get out of your head. So he believed that it's in my head. Like I'm worrying a little more because it's in my head. So he's like, kuch nahi hoga, you jump. So when they said action, I started crying. Okay, as I cry, I was like, okay, I'll jump. Okay, just keep rolling, I'll jump. And Piche I just like, chal, jump na. So I got scared and I jumped, you know?
Yeah.
So, but he was doing it so that I don't have this fear, because he's had so many experiences in life with injuries. He was like, no fear can get stuck in your head.
Yeah.
And then I did it. So, yeah,
Okay.
that was really fun.
R. Madhavan.
I think I've had some amazing conversations with him. He's one of the nicest people, a gentleman in true sense, and so inspiring. With so much, he's so much more than just an actor. You know,
Yeah.
even in the businesses that he does, even in the other things, he's got this wholesome life, which I really respect.
Arjun Kapoor.
Arjun is hilarious. Arjun has a great comedy timing. He's hilarious. Keep cracking jokes. It's fun. Super
What's a
fun.
funny memory or an incident? What's the funniest?
यार ऐसे तो याद ही नहीं रहता है. You know so much. Yeah, I don't remember because there's so many. I mean, you're just laughing all the time.
You don't remember
you
one
don't
thing.
remember one thing.
Yeah.
But it's really fun to be around him because he's a really nice, funny person.
Okay, I'll say one that's easier that you can remember. Jackie Bhamrani.
Jackie, funny memory, funny incident.
Funny or memorable?
Memorable will always be when he proposed to me. And
What is the proposal story?
I forced a proposal out of him. So I told him that if you don't propose, I'm not walking down that aisle, even though the wedding date is fixed. So then he sort of, whatever he orchestrated was damn sweet.
What was it?
So we were in Samui and we had done a combined bachelor's, like a bachelorette combined party. So we were about 25 people and he orchestrated it from via Bhumi. Bhumi is his best friend. And she said, okay, we want to host the girls' side and come for breakfast in the morning. So if it was any of my friends, I would have known that they're not waking up for breakfast in the morning. And then we all got ready and we went there, and then she's calling me. She said, listen, we'll take pictures. So just tell Jackie to wear nice clothes. So I thought, arey yaar, matlab Bhumi's going to take pictures. So I'll also have to wear nice clothes. I can't be in shorts and oversized t-shirts. So I also just threw on a dress. And we go there, and then there was Will You Marry Me written with florals on beach side. And there was this green lawn on which he had, and there was a violinist, and then he had curated a song which Vishal Mishra, I think Tanishq did or no? Yeah, he had curated a song that Vishal did, I think. And he just played that song, which was about Will You Marry Me? So he made that song.
Wow.
And yeah,
Wow.
so that'll always be memorable.
Yeah. See, we got one good memory from you that you remembered every detail. It had to
Yeah.
be this one.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Akshay Kumar.
Akshay sir plays a lot of pranks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like not a lot, like he'll say he plays not pranks, games. So I think with Akshay sir, the best memories are after shoot. You know, he'll want to play mafia, or he'll want to play some board game,
Yeah.
or just be like, चलो दमशराज खेलते हैं, अंताक्षरी खेलते हैं, कुछ तो करो. So I think that is really a lot of fun.
Okay. Yeah, it sounds fun.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you who's most likely to.
Okay.
Who's most likely to crack a joke in the middle of a serious scene?
Nobody does that.
Nobody.
Never in the middle of a scene.
Not in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. Most likely to show up late but charm their way out of it.
अभी अगर मैं बोल भी दूंगी कि ये इंसान लेट आता है, that's going to be the headline कि यार, okay, Rakul says
No.
this person is always late, so I'm not going to say this.
I won't make it the headline.
No,
Promise.
no, you won't make it. The moment it comes out, it will be everywhere. So no, everyone's on time. We're all very punctual. The whole industry is very punctual.
Who's most likely to eat everyone's food on set?
Me,
Really?
like I'm most likely to taste everyone's
Everything.
food.
Start a deep life conversation out of nowhere.
Me,
Really?
yeah,
Okay.
very.
Likely to mess up a line and laugh the loudest.
ऐसा कोई नहीं है. Like I mean, one odd mess up we all have. But and then you
Yeah.
laugh about it also.
Yeah.
क्या हो गया है, एक ही word पे अटक गए हैं. But ऐसा नहीं है that somebody who completely keeps messing up their lines. It's very risky, huh? This your
Most
yes, I'm
likely
going to take
to.
everything on me.
Most likely to take the longest to get ready.
I can say I'm very quick. Let me just say that.
Let's just call this segment Rakul.
Yeah, let's do that. But how do you expect me to take names? I'll get a
It's
call.
a fun. No. Who's most likely to steal the spotlight even without trying?
Shahrukh sir.
Yeah, of course.
Shahrukh sir.
Only one king.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn a normal chat into a drama.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it brings us to the end. And I'm going to end with asking you, what advice would you give young girls who look up to you and, you know, want to make something of their life, not just in acting, but across genres, right? And they're just starting out, just getting hold of life.
Well, I would just say, like I was talking about self-belief, that no matter what you choose to do, believe in yourself and be honest with yourself. Because a lot of times we believe, but then we're not honest with ourselves if we're putting in the work.
Yeah.
And yeah, and then there's no shortcut. I mean, hard work, perseverance, dedication, all of that is obviously primary to trying to achieve anything. So I just say be honest with yourself in whatever you do.
So the reviews are raving, and it feels like a victory, right? Like, I mean, most people don't do things for validation, but it feels good. So how do you
course.
feel after the success of the Pyar 2?
It feels great. I think, yes, we don't work for validation, but it doesn't pinch to get some extra love and extra validation. So I feel it's been very overwhelming to sort of get unanimously such lovely things to see being written about you. And people loving Aisha in De De Pyar De too. And I'm just grateful that I had the opportunity to play a character like this, an author-backed character in a commercial film. And I just hope that, I just hope more and more people go and watch and keep giving their love. And I hope I can live up to that with whatever I do in the future.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That was so nice. And thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Rakul.
Thank
Finally
you so
happened.
much. I know. I'm so glad.
And I hope we do this again. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.